Still dealing with a kitchen faucet that splashes everywhere, shows fingerprints, or just feels outdated? Today I'm reviewing the Moen Essie pull-down kitchen faucet, model 87014SRS, a faucet that completely changed how my kitchen feels. Let's get into it. Built for real life. The Moen Essie pull-down kitchen faucet 87014SRS is designed for daily kitchen work, not just looks. The high-arc pull-down spout gives you plenty of space for large pots and pans, and the single-handle lever makes controlling water temperature and flow effortless. The pull-down sprayer feels solid and smooth, not loose or flimsy. Thanks to Moen's reflex system underneath, the spray head snaps right back into place every time. No drooping, no fighting it. Whether you're rinsing dishes, washing vegetables, or cleaning the sink, everything feels natural and easy. The spot-resist stainless finish is another big win. It resists fingerprints and water spots, so the faucet stays clean with just a quick wipe using soap and water. Power when you need it. What really stands out is Moen's Power Clean spray technology. It delivers noticeably stronger spray power, helping you remove stuck-on food faster with less effort. You can easily switch between stream and spray using the button on the spray head. One smart detail I really appreciate is that when you turn the faucet off, it automatically resets back to stream. So the next time you turn it on, you don't get sprayed in the face or all over the counter. Small detail, big improvement. The spray head controls are smooth and responsive, and well-positioned, making daily use comfortable and intuitive. Easy install, long-term trust. Removing an old faucet may take some time, but the installation of this faucet itself is simple, thanks to clear instructions and Moen's Duralock Quick Connect system. In long-term use, this faucet holds up extremely well. After years of daily operation, it remains smooth, sturdy, and reliable. It's also backed by Moen's lifetime limited warranty and meets NSF 61 standards for safe drinking water, which adds real confidence to your purchase. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and powerful kitchen faucet, the Moen Essie pull-down kitchen faucet model 87014SRS is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more honest home upgrade reviews.